Hi there everybody, how you doing? My name is Bobby. Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking the spare tire of this Jeep Wrangler and adding some festive spirit to it. What I did is I went and purchased 100 foot of garland from Lowe's, and you'll see in the video I end up coming up short by about 50 feet, so you'll need about 150 feet of garland. I bought some Christmas lights that can be controlled by a remote on Amazon. And they're USB powered, so I'm going to plug them into the back of the Jeep, and then I added a little bow on it. I'll give you an idea of what that looks like right here, and we are going to get started into this project. It shouldn't take too long, although I do think it's going to be a little bit of a pain to feed it through all of the spokes of the wheel, but that's today's video. We're going to be editing up the back of this Jeep, giving it a little Christmas spirit, and here we go. Thanks for watching. Cord just runs down and over to here, and then I'm able to control the lights all off of this little remote right here, so I can use it when I jump in. I can turn them on, turn them off, all from the front driver's seat. So there you have it. We added some garland to the back tire. We added some Christmas lights, and now we can spread a little bit of that holiday cheer. My birthday's Christmas Eve, so Christmas always has a special place in my heart. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope that it brings you a little bit of joy or lifts your spirits for whatever the occasion is that you celebrate. Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel, and if you like this video or more videos like it, please don't hesitate to give it a like or subscribe. Thank you.